भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजम् यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 59, 15th कारिका टीका। कदा तर्हि स्वप्नो भवति इति अपेक्षायाम् आह। कदा तर्हि स्वप्नो भवति, 3rd नंबर टिप्पणी, फर्स्ट यू सी। In the previous karika, what is said is, in Turiya there is no Nidra darshanam, no Swapna darshanam. In other words, there is no Tattva agrahana, there is no Anyatha grahana in Turiya. Na Nidram naiva cha Swapnam Turiya pashyanti vinishchitaha. So, a question is, when is Nidra? When is Swapna? And then with respect to these two, when is no Nidra and no Swapna? See 3rd number tippani. Turiya nishchaya kale swapna nidrayoho adarshanam chet. Turiya nishchaya, when it is there, then Swapna and Nidra, both of them are not there. Swapna nidrayoho adarshanam, that is called Turiya. This is the Nishchaya. Chet tad abhava kale tad ubhayena bhavitavyam. Tad abhava kale means Turiya Nishchaya abhava kale. When Turiya Nishchaya is not there, means Turiya is not there, then tad ubhayena bhavitavyam. Ubhaya here will be Swapna Nidra. When Turiya is there, Tattva Agrahana is not there, Anyatha Grahana is not there. When Turiya is not there, then at that time Swapna also will be there, Nidra also will be there. Tatra Yauga Padya. So, not that both have to be there. Huh? For example, Prajna, it is not Turiya, but there is only Agrahana, there is no Anyatha Grahana. but he is just thinking out as how student would think. तत्र यौगपद्य विरोधम मन्वानो विवेकम पृच्छति. यौगपद्य विरोध means if swapna nidra is there, turiya is not there. If turiya is there, either swapna nidra both will not be there. So either swapna or actually there is no either swapna. Either swapna and nidra both or only nidra means absence of turiya. So when this viveka one wants to do, then that question has come, kada tarhi swapno bhavati iti apekshayam aha. Swapno bhavati. What is swapno? In the previous shloka, it is in the previous karika, it is said na nidram naivacha swapnam, napunsakalinga. Here it is given swapnaha, pullinga. So here swapnaha is what? The person. Kada tarhi saha swapnah bhavati. When is he called swapna? Means when is he dreaming or dreamer? When is he dreamer? He is dreamer when neither he knows the truth and he projects something in the absence of truth. This is called dreaming. So he is dreamer then. So swapnaha is not swapna avastha, is the person. Like antaprajnaha, like that. Iti apekshayam aha. Karika. Anyatha grinhato swapno nidra tattvamanatah viparyase tayo kshine turiyam padamashnute. अन्यथा गृह्णत स्वप्नो निद्रा तत्त्वमजानतः विपर्यासे तयो क्षीणे तुरीयं पदमश्नुते. अन्यथा गृह्णतः स्वप्नः. When he does anyatha grahanam, means when there is agrahanam and anyatha grahanam, then he is called swapnaha. अन्यथा गृह्णतः स्वप्नो भवति. Further in टीका, निद्रा तरहि कदा इति संदिहानम प्रत्याह. Then the next question is, when is there nidra? निद्रा तरहि कदा, कदा निद्रा भवति इति संदिहानम. संदिहानम means संदेह, doubt. When this doubt is there, tat pratyaha. So shloka says nidra is tattvam ajanatah nidra bhavati, when he has only agrahanam. The purpose of all this analysis is, of course, one to know how turiya is distinct from Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, or Virat, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara. How Turiya stands different from all the three. And when I have Anyatha Grahanam of myself, forget about Anyatha Grahanam of other person, other situation, happening, object, all of that you forget. About myself, if there is Anyatha Grahanam, means I have mistaken myself as a person, karta, bhokta, something, samsari. Obviously, I will never be able to analyze anything accurately outside. Right? Ramana Maharshi ji says, Satyam mrishava chididam jadam va दुखम सुखम वेति मुधा विवादः अदृष्टलोका निरहम प्रतीति निष्ठा विकल्पा परमाखिलेष्टा. As long as this aham is there, idam trayam yavadaham mati syat, in other shloka he says. So if ahankara is there and I have taken myself erroneously, then no matter how accurately I understand external situation, etc., sooner or later it is going to give me sorrow anyway, because my starting point itself is an error. Then what to talk when there is error outside also, inside also? Idam also erroneous, aham also erroneous. Means Devadatta himself takes as Yajnadatta and he takes Rajju as Sarpa and he thinks sorrow is joy. Imagine. This is how life goes on. 4 number tippani, कार्य कारणयोर अविरुद्धम युगपद अवस्थानम इति उत्तरम अवतारयति. कार्य कारणयोः अविरुद्धम युगपद अवस्थानम. Simultaneously, karya and karana both can exist, like in Jagrat and Swapna, where agrahana, anyatha grahana both are there. But here the answer for Nidra, Uttaram avatarayati, is Nidra is only Tattvam ajanatah. I don't know why 4 number tippani is given in Sandhihanam Pratyaha there. Because it doesn't fit there. Anyway, shall I just check quickly if you have some patience? Actually, that place is wrong in Bade Maharaj. What is this? There is something. Nidra tarhi kada iti sandhihanam pratyaha. Nidra iti there the tippani is not on pratyaha, tippani is on nidra. So you make that correction. It's not pratyaha, it's towards nidra. And I'll tell you what it is. Nidra tarhi, right? The tippani reads like this: Turiya nishchayat prak anyatha grahanam avichinnam eva iti kathan nidra iti ashankamanah pruchhati. And that aha is karyakaranayoho aviruddham yugapad. Nidra tarhi, wait. कार्यकारणयोः अविरुद्धम युगपद अवस्थानम इति उत्तरम अवतारयति. See, this is okay. Make this correction. Okay, I am going to read. You pay attention. The tika from beginning. Kada tarhi swapno bhavati iti apekshayam aha. Where kada is, it is number 3. When aha is, it is number 4. That is, in the first sentence itself there are 2 tippanis. And nidra is nidra tarhi, that is 5th tippani, which is not given in the footnote. So I will read, you can write down. Are you all listening?
Yes, Swami. Yes, Swamiji.
Okay.
Yes, Swamiji.
The tippani says, Turiya nishchayat prak. Turiya nishchayat prak anyatha grahanam avichinnam. Eva iti katham nidra ityashankamanah pruchhati. Kathan nidra iti ashankamanah pruchhati. This is number 5, and this number 5 will go where nidra tarhi. And this makes sense now. Because the first sentence has karya and karana both. Means a time is there when karya and karana both can exist. Whereas this 5th number tippani, what does it say? Turiya nishchayat prak. Prior to the nishchay of Turiya, anyatha grahanam avichinnam. Anyatha grahanam still continues until I get Turiya jnanam. Means if I don't understand I am infinite reality, other than me there is nothing, whatever else I understand, it will be different kind of error. And if I say I am not understanding anything, that is also in error only, in the sense it is ignorance. It is not error, but it is not knowing the truth. So, ajnanam अन्यथा ग्रहणम is अविच्छिन्नम एव इति कथम निद्रा इति आशंकमानः पृच्छति. Now he is asking a question. निद्रा तर्हि कदा इति संध्यमानं प्रत्याह. निद्रा इज तत्वम अजानतः. फर्दर इन टीका. तुरीय प्रतिपत्ति समयम संगिरते. तुरीय प्रतिपत्ति समयम, when is the turiya jnanam? That kalah is indicated. Samayam means time. Samaya is siddhantah. Siddhanta is normally pulling, I think. This is Napunsakalinga. Also, why do I say it is time, kala? Because in the shloka, it is in Saptami Vibhakti. Seventh case is either Desha or Kala. तयोः विपर्यासे क्षीणे सति. दिस इज काल. तुरीयम पदम अश्नुते. तयोः निद्रा स्वप्नयोः, both of them are considered as viparyasah. Viparyasa means errors. क्षीणे, when they go, तुरीयम पदम अश्नुते. In टीका, तुरीय प्रतिपत्ति समयम संगिरते. संगिरते, गिरते और गिरती शब्द means either to swallow or to emit out. It is used for both. So here it is to expound. He explains when is turiya pratipatti taking place. टीका. श्लोक व्यावर्त्याम आकांक्षाम दर्शयति. Now there is akanksha, which is eliminated by this shloka. What is the akanksha? kada turiye nishchito bhavati iti uchyate. When does he become nishchita in turiya? Because turiye pashyanti vinishchitaha, that was said earlier, right? Turiye pashyanti nishchitaha. So when does it happen? That is the question. kada turiye nishchito bhavati iti uchyate. टीका. कदा स्वप्ननिष्ठो भवति, कदा निद्रानिष्ठः स्यात् इति अपि द्रष्टव्यम. Means there are three questions, three akanksha's, and three akanksha's are fulfilled in this karika. कदा स्वप्ननिष्ठो भवति, कदा निद्रानिष्ठः भवति, कदा तुरीय निश्चितो भवति. प्रश्नत्रयस्य उत्तरम श्लोकेन दर्शयति उच्यते. So this shloka is talking about answer to all the three questions. तत्र कदा स्वप्नो भवति इति प्रश्नं परिहरति. So कदा स्वप्नो भवति, that question is answered now. स्वप्न जागृतयोरन्यथा रज्ज्वां सर्प इव गृह्णतः तत्वं स्वप्नो भवति. स्वप्न जागरितयोः अन्यथा Grinataha. Sometimes drashtanta comes in between the sentence, so you have to leave the drashtanta and just read the sentence without that first. So swapna jagritayoho anyatha grihnataha. Somebody takes अन्यथा ग्रहणम in swapna or in jagrat avastha, that is saptami dvivachan, swapna jagrita yoho. This is avastha, okay? This is not tattva grahana anyatha grahana. How do you say? How do we say this is avastha discussion and not agrahana anyatha grahana discussion? Because there is jagarita. If jagarita is there, obviously it is avastha, because he says there is swapna for waking as well as dream, and nidra is only deep sleep. Correct? So if jagarita is there, that means it is avastha only. Swapna jagarita yoho anyatha grihnataha. The one who takes swapna avastha and jagrata avastha, in both of these avastha there is anyatha grahanam. Means agrahanam is already there. Then tattvam swapno bhavati. Then at that time this sadhaka is called swapnaha. Drashtanta is rajvam sarpa iva grihnataha. So swapna jagrita yoho tattvam anyatha grihnataha. In this is how you have to do anvaya. Tattvam will go with swapna jagrita yoho. Swapna jagrita yoho tattvam anyatha grihnataha स्वप्नो भवति यथा रज्ज्वाम सर्पः. टीका. अवस्थाद्वये स्वप्न द्रष्टुः इत्यर्थः. In the two avasthas, Jagrata and Swapna, he is Swapna Drashta. Means he is the Anyatha Grahana person. Dvitiyam prashnam samadhatte. Second question is answered. What is the second question? When is he nidranishta? Dvitiyam prashnam samadhatte. Nidra iti. भाष्य. निद्रा तत्वम अजानतः तिसृषु अवस्थासु, था इज दीर्घ रिक्वायर्ड, अवस्थासु तुल्या. In all the three states so nidra is where there is absence of knowledge of truth, tattvam ajanatah, and it is tulya same in tisrushu avasthashu, in waking, dream, deep sleep, all three. Now you see question. टीका. विश्वादिषु त्रिषु तयोः इति द्विवचनं कथम इति आशंक्याः. You are saying Vishwadishu Trishu Avasthasu, and in shloka you are saying Viparyase Tayoho. क्षीणे so this dvivachanam tayoho viparyase tayoho क्षीणे, tayoho is dvivachanam and avasthas are three. How bahuvachanam is possible in this? How dvivachanam is given and three avasthas he is talking about?
Jagrata and Swapna is taken as Swapna. Sushupti is taken as Nidra.
Correct. So he explains now. Swapna nidrayoho iti in bhashya. Swapna nidrayos tulyatvat vishwataijasayoho ekarashitvam. So he creates Rashi. Swapna nidrayoho tulya. Swapna and nidra both are there in Vishwa and Taijasa. Swapna nidrayoho tulyatvat means not that Swapna and nidra are tulya. Swapna and nidra both are present in Vishwa and Taijasa. Vishwa Taijasa yoho ekarashitvam. So it is one group. टीका विश्व तैजसा वेको राशि प्राज्ञो द्वितीय. प्राज्ञ इज सेकेंड ग्रुप. ततः श्लोके द्विवचनम अविरुद्धम. दैट्स व्हाई इन श्लोक द्विवचनम इज यूज्ड. प्रथमे राशौ विपर्यास स्वरूपम कथयति. इन द फर्स्ट ग्रुप विपर्यास स्वरूपम. रिमेंबर विपर्यास generally we translate as viparita, viparyasa. But in this shloka tattva agrahanam is also taken as viparyasa, anyatha grahanam is also taken as viparyasa. Both are viparyasa only. Not only misapprehension, not only anyatha grahanam is viparyasa, even agrahanam is viparyasa. So in first group now prathame rashau viparyasa swarupam kathayati anyatha bhashya anyatha grahana pradhanyacha. There where there is anyatha grahana pradhanyam. Guna. So anyatha grahana is predominant. Nidra is there in Vishwa Tejas, but anyatha grahana is more because that stands out. See, when a person is just quietly sleeping, you don't know whether he is enlightened or not. But when that person is acting as a fool, it is very clear he is having anyatha grahana. So there is no room for doubt anymore. That's why they say in the midst of wise people, one should not open their mouth and express their ignorance. Or confirm their ignorance. Anyatha grahana pradhanyacha गुणभूता निद्रा इति तस्मिन् विपर्यासः स्वप्नः. In waking and dream, nidra is there, but nidra is gauna. Anyatha grahana is pradhana. Anyatha grahana pradhanyacha गुणभूता निद्रा इति तस्मिन् विपर्यासः स्वप्नः. So in Jagrat and Swapna, the Viparyasa is Tattva Grahanam, which includes, Anyatha Grahanam, which includes Agrahanam also. Tika. Dvitiye Rashau Viparyasa Vishesham Darshayati. And in second group, now what is the special Viparyasa? Bhashya. Tritiye tu sthane tattva jnana lakshano nidraiva kevala viparyasaha. Tritiye sthane, in the third group, in the third state, means Sushupti, only tattva jnana is there. Nidra eva kevala, this is the only viparyasa. Means this is the only problem. In sleep there is only one problem. In waking there are two problems. In dream there are two problems. Nidraeva kevala viparyasa. द्वितीयार्धगता अन्याक्षराणि व्याकरोति. Dvitiyardha, the second half of the shloka, tadgata anya aksharani, the anyaksharani it should be. Anya plus aksharani, anyaksharani vyakaroti ata iti. So viparyase tayoho kshine, that bhashya. Atah तयोः कार्य कारण स्थानयोर अन्यथा ग्रहण लक्षण विपर्यासे कार्य कारण बंध रूपे परमार्थ तत्व प्रतिबोधतः. तयोः कार्य कारण स्थानयोः, कार्य एंड कारण स्थान बोथ आर देयर. अन्यथा ग्रहण लक्षण विपर्यासे, वेर अन्यथा ग्रहण लक्षण इज वन विपर्यास. And actually both viparyasa should be absent. So he says karya karan sthana yoho anyatha grahana lakshana viparyase, but agrahana lakshana also should go. कार्य कारण बंध रूपे, कार्य बंध एंड कारण बंध, both viparyasa should take place. Let me see. See, one word is missing in bhashya. You pay attention, I will read, okay? Fourth line from top in bhashya. कार्य कारण स्थानयोर अन्यथा ग्रहणाग्रहण लक्षण विपर्यासे. What should you add?
Agrahana.
So you know where you should add. Between anyatha and grahana you add grahana. What did I say? Between anyatha and grahana you add grahana. So it will read कार्य कारण स्थानयोर अन्यथा ग्रहणा ग्रहण लक्षण विपर्यासे. Don't add at the end. So because both have to go, projections also have to go, avaran also has to go. Lot of errors are there in this. I think it hasn't gone for reprint, I guess. Viparyase karya karan bandha rupe. So when karya bandhana, karan bandhana, both are gone. Paramartha tattva pratibodhataha, when paramartha jnanam takes place. Second number tippani. Shastra acharya upadesha janya tattva sakshatkarat. क्षीणे तुरीयं पदम् अश्नुते तदा उभयलक्षणं बन्धरूपं तत्र अपश्यन् तुरीये निश्चितो भवति इत्यर्थः. Then he attains turiyam padam when he gets tattva sakshatkara through shastra acharya upadesha. And ubhaya lakshanam bandha rupam, bondage of both kinds, karya rupa, karana rupa, both are gone. Tatra apashyan, not recognizing, means not having them. Turiya nishchito bhavati ityartha. Now in Tika, there is one whole erroneous line. This next line you can delete. Dvivachanasya upapannatvat, because the following line is a repetition of the same, right? In your book also it is like that.
Yes, Swamiji.
So one line you remove. Up to tadeti. And I hope they have not missed some other line and द्विवचनस्य उपपन्नत्वात्. द्विवचनम that तयोः उपपन्नत्वात् विपर्यासस्य च विभागेन निर्धारितत्वात्. And viparyasa is classified into two. Vibhaga is done, agrahana also and anyatha grahana also. This nirdharanam is done, nirdharitatvad ityarthaha. Tritiyam prashnam pratividhatte. And kada turiya nishchito bhavati, that was the third question. The answer is given tada. Tada ubhay lakshanam bandharupam tatra apashyan turiya nishchito bhavati ityartha. Tattva prabodhat viparyasa kshaya avasthayam ityartha. Due to tattva prabodha, tattva jnanam, anyatha grahana goes, agrahana goes. That is when turiya nishchito bhavati, he knows I am turiya brahma. Now comes another important karika. You already know this. Kada tattva pratibodho viparyasa kshaya hetur bhavati iti apekshayam aha. Kada, when tattva pratibodho, tattva jnanam, viparyasa kshaya hetuhu, which is the viparyasa kshaya hetu bhavati iti apekshayam aha. So the question is, when does this happen? Tattva pratibodha is the hetu for viparyasa kshaya. When will that happen? Anadimayaya supto yada jivah prabudhyate ajamanidrama swapna madvaitam buddhyate tada. Anadimaya supto yada jivah prabudhyate ajamanidrama swapna madvaitam buddhyate tada. Yada jivah बुध्यते तदा प्रबुध्यते, और यदा प्रबुध्यते तदा बुध्यते. Jiva who is anadi maya suptaha, when he is sleeping from beginningless time because of the beginningless maya. See, what is shown is maya is beginningless. Since when he is sleeping, that is not shown, but we have to understand he is sleeping also since beginning, because he is associated with that maya since beginning. when he is woken up, yada jivah prabudhyate, how is he woken up? Through Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Teacher tries to wake up this student. Student says, no, I don't want to wake up. I want to sleep. Ajam anidram aswapnam advaitam tada buddhyate. So, through Tattvamasi Mahavakya, when he wakes up, then his knowledge will be that I am Ajam, Anidram, Aswapnam. So, I am birthless, I don't have Agrahana, Anyathagrahana, I am Advitiya Brahma. This is his knowledge. Tika. Pratibudhyamanam tattvamev vishinashti. So what is the nature of that knowledge? Pratibudhyamanam tattvam. So pratibodha is the jnanam, is the waking up. And buddhyate means enlightenment. What is the nature of that tattva? Ajam, anidram, aswapnam, advaitam. Jiva Shabda Vachyam Artham Nirdeshati. Now Bhashya begins. Jiva Shabda Vachyam Artham. Yoyam Samsari Jivaha. The one who is this Samsari Jivaha. Saha Samsari Jiva, let's see Tika. Paramatma eva Jiva Bhavam Apannaha Samsarati ityarthaha. Paramatma alone is going through sansaranam. When we go through sansaranam, can we ourselves believe that I am Paramatma? Or if you see somebody really dukhi, frustrated, we don't feel Paramatma is going through. That is the power of Maya. This covering is so thick. So Paramatma eva Jiva Bhava. But that is why we need such tikas, They remind us that you think it is impossible, but that is a fact. Tasya katham Jiva Bhavapattihi Tasya Paramatmanaha. Katham Jiva Bhavapatti. How is this Paramatma attaining Jiva Bhava? Yati ashankya karya karana baddhatvat. Because he is saha ubhaya lakshanena tattva apratibodha rupena bijatmana. Anyatha grahana lakshanena, not lakshanena. Lakshanena cha baddhatvat. Baddhatvat you have to supply. Tattva pratibodha rupena and agrahana अन्यथा ग्रहण लक्षणेन बद्धत्वात्. टीका. परमात्मा उभय लक्षणेन स्वापेन सुप्तः जीवो भवति इति अन्वयः. परमात्मा इज उभय लक्षणेन swap. So both kind of sleep are there. Swap dhatu is for both nidra also, swapna also. So here ubhaya lakshanena swapena suptaha jivo bhavati iti anvayah. Paramatma, when he has both problems, then he is called jiva. When he has anyatha grahana also, agrahana also. What if he has only one problem? What is the answer if he has only one problem?
Still samsara.
What is that?
Still samsara jiva.
Correct. It means you wait. Second problem will come. If there is only one problem, don't worry. Second problem will come. स्वापस्य उभयलक्षणत्वमेव प्रकटयति. नाउ that उभयलक्षणम he is showing. तत्व ग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहण. तत्व इत्यादिना. Further now, next page. Maya lakshanena ubhayatra sambadhyate. So this Maya is there in both, that is said in Bhashya now. Lakshanena cha anadikala pravruttena Maya lakshanena swapnena. Now first I will just read Bhashya, okay, then we'll go in Tika. I love this Bhashya. Maya lakshanena swapnena mama ayam pita. Starting from there. Putroyam napta kshetram pashavo ahamesham swami sukhi dukhi kshayito aham anena vardhitascha anena iti evam prakaran swapnan sthanadvayepi pashyan. He sees all kinds of swapnas. Maya lakshanena swapnena means projection. Swapna here means in waking also and dream also. What? So and so is my father. Mama ayam pita. Putroyam is my son. Napta means grandson. It's here only samples are given. Huh? Father, son, grandson, because the prominent relations, but you have to stretch it to all relations. Then kshetram. Kshetram means everything. Land, building, properties, investments, bitcoins, cryptocurrency, whatever is there is all kshetram and pashu, pashavaha. All my animals, possessions, all possessions. Aham esham swami. Murkha. I am their swami. How does it sound? Anyway, nobody takes anybody as swami. Master. Swami means master. Huh? Other swami also nobody cares. So there is nothing. This is all illusion only. Aham swami. You are not swami, you are asami. Sukhi dukhi. This is another bhranti. So all relations, all possessions, all identities. Everything is bhranti only. And aham anena kshayitaha, aham anena vardhitaha. So by this I will go down, by this I will go up. So this can be for sadharana, laukika karma also and Vaidika karmas also. Going down means to lower worlds, going up means higher worlds. That is also there. And I will have more power, more outreach, whatever you want to call, or my powers are cut, my this is removed. This is all bhranta pratyas. Iti evam prakaran swapnan sthanadvaya api, both are projections in both waking as well as dream. Pashyan suptaha, he is just sleeping only at that time. Yada वेदांतार्थ तत्वाभिज्ञेन परमकारुणिकेन गुरुणा न असि एवं त्वं हेतुफलात्मकः किंतु तत्त्वमसि इति प्रतिबोध्यमानो यदा तदा एवं प्रतिबुध्यते. So then he is told by Vedanta Artha Tattva Abhignya Paramakarunika Guru, never become Guru, because Bhashyakar's expectation for Guru is too much. Every time he says Guru has to be Paramakarunika, and namunas will be there. They will test your every quality, and that Guru has to still give Upadesh also. Na asi evam tvam hetu phalatmakaha. You are not this hetu phalatmakaha. Hetu means what is hetu? Hetu, you cannot say karma phala, because karma phala is hetu or karma phala is phalam. That nischay is not there. Sharira is hetu, prarabdha is phalam, or prarabdha karma. Karma is hetu and sharira is phalam. Hetu phala means either. Hetu phalatmakaha means karya karanatmakaha. Something I did, therefore I am something right now. Something I am doing now, therefore I will be something else. This notion. So somebody says, that's why I never think that I am doing something is right or wrong. I will just do whatever I want. You are still hetu phalatmaka only. See, it is not that whether you accept it this way or that way. When I feel I am karta or I feel I am bhokta, it is either hetu or phala. Kartrutva will result in bhoktritva. Bhoktritva will result in kartrutva. So hetu phala is in this way. So both are there either way. So nobody can say that no, I don't believe that I am doer. I don't accept I am going through something, but I don't know I am Brahma. You are still bound. Even if somebody denies kartrutvam, somebody denies bhoktritvam, but they also do not know that they are Brahma, then also there is bondage. And a person who knows I am Brahma, he will not deny kartrutva and bhoktritva selectively. While he is doing karma, he knows I am akarta. It is not that after everything has happened, then one day suddenly wakes up and says, but I am akarta. This is not wisdom. Bhagavan says in Bhagavad Gita, Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprishan, Chigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Shwashan, Pralapan, Visrijan. While you are breathing, you know you are not breathing. While you are seeing, you know you are not seeing. Indriyani indriyartheshu vartanta iti dharayan. So it is present participle. Active. Pashyan. Otherwise, anybody after doing whatever they want to do, after few hours, few days, few months, they say, oh no, I didn't do anything, I am akarta. That is not moksha. That is not tattvavit. Naiva kinchit karomi in present tense. So at that time itself I am alert. Kintu tattvamasi iti pratibodhyamanaha. But he is taught in this way that you are that truth alone, pratibodhyamanaha. Yada pratibodhyamanaha tada evam pratibudhyate. Then he wakes up. So, and we can see this journey, how, this line, one line that is given here, that after I have received Vedanta Jnanam, and until I actually feel myself that I am totally free, not to tell people, to tell my mind that there is no mind, that Amani Bhava is not only to chant the shloka, this is what I need to own up. This is the journey. This is where aneka janma also can happen. It is not one life thing. So tada evam pratibudhyate. Now tika part we will see tomorrow. Actually tika part is yada already. Okay, so just two parts we'll read. Swa, there also there is some correction. I will tell you tomorrow only. It's the, I think swa aparigrahitasya, it should be swapaparigrahita is given. I'll let you know tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.